Hi guys, welcome to our packing vlog. We are so excited to show you kind of what we're packing and how we have packed.
Yeah, very excited.
Probably the most exciting video we've done yet.
Shower clothes.
At the time of filming, we're not in Disney, but we're a day out from Disney. And we leave for Disney tomorrow. We go to the Thomas Rhett concert tonight. But when this video is on, we're actually gonna be in Disney. I'm gonna have this upload, I don't know when, but just stay tuned. So guys, this is the current situation of my packing. Everything's everywhere. I got my weekender bag for Sean's. So I don't even know if I'm gonna need this suitcase. But I also have this big red suitcase. I'm just doing the finishing touches. I thought I'd show you my ears. So these are my Animal Kingdom ears. I'm obsessed with them. I got them on my college program. I also got these sparkly mini ears on my college program as well. Just super cute. I got these in Disneyland Paris when I went, oh my gosh, like years and years ago. They're actually my very first pair of mini ears. And I actually never cut the tag off because it says, what's this? Disneyland Paris. So I know I usually cut them off, but whatever. And then my mini Maker's ears that I'm super obsessed with. Yeah. I'm actually super shocked that I was able to get everything into this suitcase. I'm not even sure I'm gonna need the other one. In this bag, I just have some personal items like my hat, some flip-flops, which I actually got these in Animal Kingdom, and they're like super lightweight and perfect for when it torrentially downpours and going to and from the pool. My towel, my swimsuits, my dad's birthday gift, and then like a handful of 50 reusable masks. It gets so sweaty down there. So I'm just gonna be bringing 2 swimsuits on this trip because I don't think there's a need for me to have any more than 2 while we're down there. So I have this blue one and this pink one. They're both sets from Aerie. I love American Eagle's bathing suits. I'm just gonna pack that for when we go to the pool, when we go to my family's house, and really just laying out in the sun. I'm also just bringing this cover up that I got in Ocean City, Maryland. Not this past summer, but the summer before. I just like it because it's long, it's super comfortable just to put on walking to and from the pool, around the pool, in and out of the shops if we need to grab food or when I know we're gonna get drinks, so definitely for drinks. We're also not sure what the towel situation's like, so I'm just bringing this Animal Kingdom print towel for the pool and stuff just in case. I mean, worst case scenario, I don't use it. Best case scenario, I needed it. So this is going to be my outfit for the plane. I have my child sweatshirt, but it's not super heavy. It's very lightweight, which is good because I get super cold on planes. My Lululemon 8-inch biker shorts. Then y'all can see the back. I'm obsessed with this jacket. And then I just have this like cute little like cropped like sheen top. It's like $5 because we all know once you step out of the MCO airport, it's like the humidity just slaps you in the face. So definitely know I'm gonna be hot, but that is the outfit I will be wearing on the plane with my tennis shoes and then my hookahs. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like I get super stress packing. Like I stress pack and then I start to overpack. So if you do that too, let me know down in the comments. I have a whole assortment of everything. I don't know if you guys have ever tried Celsius, but this isn't sponsored or anything, but you should definitely take a look at Celsius. It's literally like hydration packs and energy drinks in one, but they also boost your metabolism and are super healthy for you. They don't have all those other things that other like sports drinks have, like energy drinks. Then I kind of have all of my extra sunglasses. It's a mess, which I apologize, but I definitely wanted to video it for you guys. Also, I'm not sure if you guys have heard, but this candle actually smells like Pandora, and then that one scene in Soarin', that's just really, it smells like Fiji. I mean, it smells so good. I'm like almost out. I'm trying to burn it down before I go, but definitely go pick this up from Bath & Body Works if you're obsessed with those smells like me. Hey guys, so there are 3 days left until we leave for Florida. It's currently Thursday, we leave Sunday. So excited. I'm just getting some last minute things done today. I work today and I work tomorrow. Not much really more on the update of packing, just kind of got together some of my jewelry last night. I always carry my jewelry on my carry-on bag just in case. Don't want anyone to take it. And I want to show you guys the new candle that I'm burning. So I just started burning the rose water and ivy candle from Bath & Body Works. And it smells so good. It's still looking kind of crazy, but my big suitcase is almost finished. I just have like one more shirt to put in. My small suitcase is gonna be like where my makeup and stuff is, and then my backpack, and then this is my weekender bag for Sean's. Oh my gosh, y'all, Sean's mom got me the cutest little birthday gift ever. It's this little Minnie Mouse pouch, and what's actually cool about it is that I actually am using it for something nice. I decided to put like my ibuprofen, some medicine, Claritin D, acid reducer, stuff like that I think I might need on the trip, just because we'll be eating a lot of greasy foods that we don't typically eat, and probably a lot more unhealthy than we have in the past. I feel like everything is getting to where it should be, and that makes me super happy because I'm so ready to be done with packing and just go to Florida. Everything's all ready to go. Whoop whoop. You excited?
Very much needed.
So for our anniversary, I got Sean this drinking game. It's called Clink It. And it has like different things, so you like...
No, it says it's the Clink It, Drink It game.
Clink It, Drink It game. So you open it here and it like goes down and it'll be in one of these items. So what are we drinking today? We actually just picked it up from Wegman.
Shipyard Brewing Company Pumpkinhead.
Shipyard Brewing Company Pumpkinhead. So let's see.
It's gonna spill everywhere, but
Hold the bottom. What'd you get?
Drink up.
You got drink up. So awesome. So we just went through and got all of Sean's clothes together for the trip. What I did is I packed it, so like this is what he's wearing, you know, the first day we're there, second, third, fourth, however many days we're there. So then when he goes in to grab it from the suitcase, it's right on top. So we have like all of his shirts and for dinners and parks, all of his shorts, other shorts like athletics shorts, some tops he's wearing to the parks, Disney, gross, his rain jacket, and then some other shirts he's wearing on parks. He's got his Sperry's in there as well. How you feeling?
Ready to pack. Ready to put it all in there.
Cool, let's get to it. We're putting everything in now. Got his shorts in there. Other pairs of shorts, maybe shirts next.
What shirts? You got these ones?
Yeah, those shirts. Perfect. Your Disney shirts. In. Rain jacket, and then you have these here. You have plenty of room.
I don't know.
Tell everyone what we're getting for dinner tonight.
Potbelly.
Potbelly. It's gonna be so yummy.
Pre-concert potbelly.
Perfect. Y'all look at the Loungefly that Sean got me for my birthday. I'm obsessed with it. I actually picked it out at our local Disney store. And it's so stinking cute. I got my little ear holder on there as well. This is what I'll be carrying around in the parks. Sean Clancy just lived through my first allergic reaction, and it was probably the scariest thing you've ever seen. And I didn't even know.
Fade out on me right there.
The day before our Disney trip. How dare I have an allergic... But you know what? At least I had the allergic reaction right now, so I know I can't have any of that when we're in Disney.
There you go. Sure.
Positive. We are actually watching Victoria, or Disney in Detail, drinking our pumpkin beer. And thank you so much for watching the travel vlog.
Yeah, Megan's surviving now, but thanks for watching the video. Peace.